National Testing Agency has released UGC NET Admit Card 2022 for September 30, 2022 exam. Candidates can now download the NTA UGC NET Hall ticket for September 30 exam from the official website. They need to enter their login credentials like their application number and date of birth to check and download hall tickets. So if you're also prepping up for the exam and want to download your admit card online, then we have mentioned a step-by-step process for the same. So first of all, you need to visit the official site of UGC NET at ugcnet.nta.nic.in. After this, click on the UGC NET Admit Card 2022 link available on the homepage. Now enter the login details and click on Submit, following which your admit card will be displayed on the screen. Check the admit card and download the page. You can keep a hard copy of the same for the further need. Well, the notice release says that those who have their exams scheduled for 1st of October, their admit cards will be out soon. Furthermore, the admit cards for the candidates whose examination is scheduled from October 8 to October 14, 2022 will be released before the examination. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such latest news and updates, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.